Hi you guys, welcome to Trinica Creates. Today I'm going to show you my Dollar Tree haul that I just did. I picked up some things for my house, some crafting materials, and some gardening materials. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So the first thing that I saw when I walked into the Dollar Tree was the Valentine's Day section, and I saw these metallic pillows. See that? They had these little plush pillows. They're really soft. Um, I don't really like purple, but that was just really cute. But I got three of the teal colors. So I got three of these, and I just like the material. And I don't plan on using these as pillows in my house for decor. I'm probably gonna craft with these, use the material for one thing, and use the stuffing maybe for something else. But I just really like the material for $1. So yeah, that's what I got. I thought they were really cute. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them yet. I just know I'm not gonna use them as intended. The other thing that I got was these two wood plaques, like flower plaques. You see the depth of the wood. So I'm going to use these to reinforce a craft that I'm going to be doing, and I'll show you all what that is soon. But yeah, I got this just called a wood plaque, and I got two of them. I also got for crafting this moss sheet. I don't think I've ever seen this at the Dollar Tree. I've bought so many different types of moss from the Dollar Tree for crafting, but I don't think I've purchased the moss sheets before. Um, and again, I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but it's kind of convenient to have it already in a sheet rather than to have to put down hot glue on something and then pile on the mesh. This is probably just going to make it more convenient when I do need to use like a mesh on a flat surface. So I got that. I also picked up these clamps. I picked up two sets of clamps. I kind of tested them in the pack to see if they had much hold, much grip. And for the craft that I'm going to be working on with the wooden plaques, I thought this was sturdy enough for what I need. So I bought two of them so that I can get four corners secured and allow glue to dry. So that's what I'm going to be using these for, is to clamp surfaces down while glue is drying. So I also got some home repair maintenance stuff from the Dollar Tree. The first thing that I got was this mesh tape. And I don't think I've ever seen this in the Dollar Tree before. And at first I was thinking, like, what the heck would I need mesh tape for? But it says repair drywall and cracks in half the time. Now my house is 100 years old this year, and most of my walls are made of really old plaster. But some of the house has been extended and modified over the years, so there is some drywall. I don't think there's cracks in my drywall, but I do have a crack in my ceiling. I have some work done in my attic. So I'm going to test this on the ceiling, and I have plaster, so that might be one of my home repair DIYs using this stuff here. We'll see. The other things that I got were these Sunbeam. I got two of these Sunbeam Appliance. See that? Sunbeam Appliance light bulbs. This is something that I walk past all the time in Dollar Tree and don't really pay attention to it. But my oven light is out, and the fan light is out over the hood light is out over my oven. And I went to Lowe's to go get, replacement appliance bulbs, and the guy couldn't find it in the inventory. He's like, "We don't carry that in the store. You would have to place in an order." Who wants to do that for a light bulb? They're at the Dollar Tree. So I bought two because I bought two. I don't know. I bought two because I was so frustrated with the appliance store not selling an appliance part that's essential. I bought two when I saw it at the Dollar Tree today. Um, Another one that I got was this warm white light bulb, and I don't even remember why I bought this one. I bought it to replace a light bulb. There's another light bulb that's missing in my house, and I normally use the LED light bulbs, but again, my house is really old, so some light bulbs don't fit in certain light fixtures. So I bought this one. I can't for the life of me remember what I bought it for. I can't think of it. So I got that. So that's the home repair and maintenance stuff that I bought. And then I also bought some gardening. Stuff. So these plant labels, these little picks to put in your garden. You see that? How it's like mint. It like you can label the different plants that you're planting in your garden and your herbs. I bought this and it's 10 in a pack, which I think is great. I bought these for my mom. I do usually garden. I just haven't been in the mood to garden lately, so I bought these for my mom, and I'll be taking these over to her house because she has been like master gardening. She container gardens and she grows her seeds in the house and then transplants them outside. She has a whole thing, so I figured these would be really nice for her. I also bought these. I think these are Job's. These are spikes that you put in. They're fertilizer spikes that you put in your house plants. I bought these because I recognize this name brand. It had 30 in a pack for $1, and I remember my mom putting these in our house plants growing up, and we always had really nice house plants. My house doesn't have like the best lighting. The direction is facing. I don't catch all the light, so I can't grow really nice house plants, but my mom does, so I'm going to take these to her as well. Okay, and this is the last thing that I saw, and I grabbed 6 of them. These are planters. Do you see this? So it's a planter for 3 different plants, and it's the Dollar Tree brand. You want to see that? Like, it has the Greenbrier address or whatever. So this is like a Dollar Tree brand, but I've never seen these in the Dollar Tree, like $1. You can plant 3 plants in this, and then check this out. They stack, so you can do like a herb garden or a flower. You all see that? Like, that's crazy. So I bought my mom 6 of these, and I think that she would. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love these. So what I might do is go over to her house when she's getting ready to plant in these and record that and show you all what my mom does with these. So that's all that I got. Well, I got some orange juice and I got some Vicks cough drops because I'm sick right now. So I bought that stuff from the Dollar Tree too. But that is my haul for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment if you want to see more of my Dollar Tree hauls. A lot of my crafts come from the Dollar Tree. They come from Walmart, different places. But my go-to is Dollar Tree to find things that I'm not going to find anywhere else. So if you want to see more of those, make sure you leave a comment below. Like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching. I was surprised to see this in the Dollar Tree because I've never seen this in the Dollar Tree. You guys see this? This is like a tripod planter. They call it a stackable 3-tier planter, but I'm saying it's just a tripod.